Welcome back to Titanium Man Garage, and I can give you a little update on this 500 Sportsman EFI 2006. I did rebuild the top end, as you saw in my last video, and as you can see here, I did use the 2000 jug and chain tensioner, and she runs good. So I installed the fuel pump, and now when I turn the key, my fuel indicator doesn't flash like it used to. I cleaned up the, on the fuel pump, I cleaned up the electronics, and that seemed to cure my problem. And see if I can start it up. She's a little cold. So. Yeah, turned out good. No problems. So I've been quite busy lately. Got quite a few wheelers, as you can see. Got to do brakes on that. This one I had to put a box on. The box was missing, and the back dump box was broken. So got that all ready to go. I think my next video is going to be on 700s. I haven't done many 700s, and I acquired two of them. This one, it runs really good. It's only got 500 miles on it, or so it said. But the head gasket is blowing. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I believe this is a 2002. Between 2002 and 2004, they were known for their mechanical water pump seals leaking and coolant getting into the crank and messing up the bearings and everything, and the head gasket leaking as well. And a lot of that reason is because of the Y pipe. These Y pipes crack, and like this one's bowed out. I know you can't see it in this lighting, but it's bowed out. It overheats, heats everything up, makes it run a little lean, and that's why the head gasket blown. And the second one I already got all ripped apart. Same issue until it got hot. So I pull it apart. The head is warped. All in all, the cylinders and everything look pretty decent. I mean, you can see somewhere, but not bad at all. So that's actually the reason I haven't done any 700s, is because of the issues they have. But happened to get these guys for a decent price, so I'm like, why not? So I'm gonna get into building that. I'll show a video of how to rebuild that, because that's going to be completely different than a 500. And then I got this bad boy I'm throwing back together. Had to rebuild the top end. Head gasket leaked on this one. There was coolant in the oil. This thing's got 5,000 miles on it. So did the top end, and now she's making a little noise, and turned out it was the clutch. The buttons on the clutch were knocking. You know, when you start it up, it actually sounds like the engine. I don't know, this will start, it's cold, but yeah, she's cold. I can't do this with one hand, hold the camera. So, but yeah, when she starts up, it goes ding, 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 ding. So I pulled the clutch off just to eliminate the noise, and that was it. Pulled the clutch off, it didn't go ting, 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 ting. So I'm gonna probably rip that out and rebuild it. Got a couple clutches laying around. Get a nice kit. But yeah. So as you can see, I've been busy. I haven't got to shoot any videos on, you know, repairing anything lately, but that'll come soon, so be patient. So hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy the new shop. I see I got more subscribers. That's awesome. You guys keep on hitting that like button, and like always, until next time.